Assalamu alaikum and hello friends, welcome to my studio. Today we are going to make a very interesting painting. Before I start, I just need to apologize for making a long delay. Guys, I read your comments as I know you were eagerly waiting for my new video, but guys, I was super busy due to some circumstances. As you know that we are running the session in which I paint on your demand, and we have already completed 2 paintings and moving towards third, and will continue to fill all boxes under your request. So this video was requested by Aina Lasala, as she is the same person who won the prize which I announced in the village painting video. I really feel happy to get feedback from my students and their spirit of learning and love that shows within art. I want you all to have the same inspiration of learning. I think we should start without wasting our time anymore. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to paint realistic water drops by using acrylic medium. I'll be using for these colors. So let's begin. Now painting is done. Third box has filled, and you tell me guys what you want to learn in the next video. I'll definitely do that. So hurry up, don't miss this chance, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.